what's going on? Back with another video. You already know. Had a little party last night. Things got kind of wild, you know. Anyways, all right, so today we're gonna be working on this. Sadly, fuel forged wheels are gonna be gone today. Hopefully we're about to start taking them off. You see, and I had just washed it last night, well, yesterday, but I already started taking the lug nuts off. Just got to jack it up, take the wheels off, and we'll be good to go. There she is, boys. Jack stands. I don't have any other wheels, so I'm gonna have to leave it like this for now until I get some wheels. But yeah, wheels are loaded up one last time. Damn, kind of sad to be honest with you, but gotta sell them. Want something different. Anyways, a little update on the blue truck. This is how she's looking right now. I already ordered the drop kit for the back. If I sell those, I'm gonna order the front ones and look for some 20s. Still haven't ordered the front because I don't have any wheels. Those are in mine, like I've said before. So yeah, that's how she's looking. No tips no more. Louis finally cut them off. But yeah, things are gonna be coming real soon for this. Y'all stay tuned. Tak watch your status. Static Los. You already know. But yeah, I'll update y'all later whenever I sell them. Woo! Almost forgot to do the little update. It's a couple hours later now. It's around 8 o'clock now. But yeah, I saw the wheels, as y'all can see. No wheels in the back, no wheels on the truck. Looking for some wheels right now for the black truck. And I also need a set of 20s for the blue truck, because some things are gonna be coming for it in this week. Y'all are gonna see. Since this is a short little vlog right now, I might add yesterday's to make it a little longer. We went fishing and whatnot, but y'all are gonna see. Another little update. This is my Ram right here. I don't know if y'all already knew or not, but comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see this leveled out or with a lift, one of the two. Just let me know. Got some big plans coming for this one too in the future. Might go Bubba status on that one. Not really sure. All right.
You didn't get the blog. Look at that weight. It's bigger than my dick.
Hours later.
Alright, boys. As you can see, just came back fishing. Think that shit. Pretty bad of a day, but you know what? We still got like 5 hours left of sunlight. Guess it's time to grill, boys. Psych!
Corte.
But it's finished straight up. It's gonna look weird when we upload it.
Oh yeah, SP, don't hide. We out here telling Gio what we about to do.
This is my 10-something.
I am number one fan.
Alright, we about to tent Gio's truck. This news truck right here. This old truck is gone. They didn't record when they were dropping his shit, but you already know.
So Tio Carlos is under la peda, so we had to resume the vlog.
Alright, that should be good. Alright, boys, as y'all can see, it's another vlog out here with DHC. As y'all can see, my boy Gio done sold a lifted truck. Ooh. And now we got a lower truck. So you already know, start watching movies. So we're installing this flip kit. Trying to do this back. We've been in here for like 5 hours. Fuck this shit, dog. But let's get to it. Damn.
Hey, what we do?
Dope house. Shout out to my boy Pollo. Como ven, chavos, aquí en otro vlog de Dope House.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Fucking shit up.
One more?
Breaking. Yeah, one more.
Oh, we might need just another one.
Like half a pump.
Alright, Dylan, put it my way.
Straight. Straight. Oh, maybe we should re-angle the shot. There we go. All right. Now pull it this way.
You want that way?
Yeah. Bro, why it look like it's getting a hard on?
Soy gay. Ay, no es cierto.
It's hard on. It's just like slowly taking it down.
Oh, we flip, boys. We flip.
Oh shit! Hey, hey, how y'all doing? All right, so we finally got the axle above the shot. You already know. You already know. Let me post this on Snap right here real quick.
Corte. Hey, don't be stealing my gas now. Right. Happy birthday to my man Dilly right there. You already know. Yeah. Oh.
He's single.
Been in 500 followers.
Thing already.
You already know.
From Sunday. No, from lunes to domingo.
All that way.
You already drank a Budweiser.
All that way. Alright.
My mom's
That's
gonna
it.
watch this. Update YouTube. This is official Luis here. My family's well, everybody else, you know, they a bit. Famoso Didi. Oh yeah, my dad. That's the vlog right there. Hold on, let me turn. I gotta turn the camera around.